Hi traders, this is Daily Markets Review, and in this video we'll discuss Brent oil, gold and silver. There are three instruments that I think are interesting for you, and if you want to trade, please, you need to know what trading is, you need to have your trading system, you need to know money management, and you need to know how to put stop loss. After that, you can use my videos to trade. I wish you profits, but I want only traders to be here and to use those ideas. Okay, this is Brent oil for our chart. We saw on Friday this candle that someone can think is a sell signal, but this is not a sell signal. I want to remind you a couple of levels of resistance. This is 106. 106. This is a good technical level of resistance, but I was buying Brent on Friday up to this level. On Monday and Tuesday, I'm gonna buy Brent oil above 104 with a target 106, 108.80 and even 113. So there are three levels, 106, 108.80, and after that it's possible that they will jump up to 113. But this is not a moment right now to buy. You can buy above 104 with your trading system. If you ask me, do you predict price to go lower? On Monday, this is the beginning of a new month. So we are waiting for a couple of news from America. Those are labor market news. And this is something important for the volatility. So I expect price to go down to level 102.40 and even 102. So intraday on 30-minute chart, on 1-hour chart, you open RSI period 14. You wait while RSI goes down to 30 area. If you ask me about technical level of support, it is around here, 102. 102.40 because the 200 moving average is here. So there are two levels of support intraday together with a RSI signal that you can use for the beginning of long positions. Above this area we go up and buy. But what about forecast, for example, that price goes under 102 area? I'm not gonna talk about 101.60 area, but we can discuss 101.10 area. And if they break this support on 1-hour chart, on 4-hour chart, if they break this support and there are no shadows on the lower part, I think under 101 area they will go down to 97 and after that 90 area. So they need to break this support, and after that we can say, okay, let's sell with the target 97. But if you check RSI period 14 on 4-hour chart, you will see that RSI is on its way to 70 area. And here is no sell signal yet. That's why I'm telling you that it's possible for price to go higher. And only after they break the support, we can discuss short positions, okay? So you go up on Monday, Tuesday, but I think we'll make a new video to discuss what's up with this instrument. For gold, this is 1,765 area right now. They touch 200 moving average. I told you that this is the target. They came here. They touched, they gave you a rebound. After that, they're trying to break this level of resistance. My idea is that around 1,770 area, they may show us sell signal. I'm not buying gold yet. Even though they are going up right now, and this is a big correction, I believe this is a big correction, but I don't buy because total tendency is still down tendency. If you make this tendency line like this, you will see that price is still under the downgoing tendency. And we are not allowed to work against the tendency. But in the same time, yes, I do agree that this is a range. And due to the range, we should buy gold. I agree with you. Unfortunately, I don't do that. I still believe they can show you new minimum prices, and I still didn't buy. So I don't expect to sell today or to sell tomorrow. Only after they give me sell signal, I believe they will try to show us lower minimum prices. On monthly chart, there is no buy signal. On weekly chart, 2 weeks of price going up. This is a rebound from 200 moving average. Rebound, yes, I do agree. But if you check the RSI on weekly chart, it still didn't get to 30 area. It is still possible they touch new minimum price. And I don't want you to have it as a surprise. On 30-minute chart, please pay attention that there is no sell signal right now. On 4-hour chart, RSI is being near 70 area, but there is no sell signal right now. What I mean sell signal, we need to see shadows on the top side, and we need to see minimum prices going lower, so extremum has to go lower. But they even didn't break the 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. On 5-minute chart, they were trying to hit it, but they were coming back, so it's really not the strongest signal that we should use. For silver, our target went down up to 19.78, and I told you that I'm not going to buy it. I see that price is going up. I know where they go to, but I'm going to wait for a good trading signal, and that's what I usually do. I don't trade for every signal because I use patterns that are 51% give me money. And for close period, like maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, I can tell you that area 21.20 may become a sell area. I'm not going to buy this instrument yet. I know that they went a lot far away, but if you look at this picture, you will see that there are more targets to go down, and it's still possible that they go down. On weekly chart, they touch a really good support area, and RSI went down to 30 area. I do believe that this is a good moment to buy, but we didn't get a signal. The price just touched this level and went up. I usually work when they give me a signal. And honestly, it is still down-going tendency, and this is just a rebound. It could happen, it could not happen. If I get signal, I work with this. So here I didn't get a signal. And for maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, I'm going to watch how price behaves near 21.20 area. And if they give me sell signal, I will try to sell, but for like a couple of days, I think I'm not going to work with this instrument at all. Thank you for your attention. Press thumbs up. I wish you profits. Bye.